Alright, quiz time. This is easy. So let's do these questions together. Our trusted multi-tenant cloud means you get what? The benefits of the same core set of features for all customers. So if the huge corporations, the banks, the governments, the hospitals, the universities gets these features, we will get the features too. That's right. Upgrades 3 times a year. So yes, Salesforce do the upgrades 3 times a year. So we will get that as well. Spring, winter, and summer. So no software to install to access Salesforce. Yes, so it's easy. All of the above, all the good stuff we get. The Salesforce API is what? It's like a contract between two pieces of software allowing them to connect and exchange information. That is correct. So this is not available for certain technologies? No. The exact same thing as an API name? No. Only programmers can use? Of course not. Okay, so because Salesforce is designed to actually be usable by non-programmers. We will get into all those good stuff later. Metadata refers to what? We've discussed this in quite a length. So it's about data about data, right? So that's it. Let's submit and get the points. Bam! 100 points. Good job, guys. So I'll see you on the next module.